In this video, we're going to review how UCF faculty and staff can use generative AI to generate 2D images within the ThingLink platform. Please note this feature is not enabled for UCF students and it is only enabled for faculty and staff. To get started, you're going to log into the ThingLink platform and scroll over to the left-hand side to open the media dashboard. Once the media dashboard is open, come on back up to the top right-hand corner and select the blue Create button. From here, you're going to want to select that you want to create an image file, which is on the top left of these options. And then at the bottom center of this window, you'll see that there is a Generate with AI button. Now, if you are a UCF student, when you select the Generate with AI button, you will see that it says, "This feature is not available on your account. Please contact your teacher for more information." If you are a faculty and staff member at UCF and this error message appears for you, please contact the Faculty Multimedia Center so we can modify and make sure that you have the appropriate settings in your ThingLink account. If you are a UCF faculty and staff member, when you scroll down to the Generate with AI button and select it, the Generate an Image Using AI window will appear. This AI image generator uses DALL-E. From here, you'll want to describe the image that you want to create. If you would like more assistance on prompt engineering for generative AI tools, please visit the Faculty Multimedia Center. But once your prompt is entered, you'll want to select the blue Generate button next to your prompt. From here, your image will be generated. It may take a few moments, but once it's generated, you'll see a preview immediately within this window. If you like the image that was generated, you can scroll down to the bottom right and select Continue, or if you're not too fond of it, you can come back up here and revise your prompt and select Generate again. So in this case, we're going to say that we like this image. We're going to come back down here to the bottom right and we're going to select Continue. Once you select Continue, the image will now be stored to your ThingLink account, and now you can edit this image as normal within the base media editor. If I select Done on here and I return to my media dashboard, you'll see that this image stores in whichever folder I was using when I hit that Create button at the very beginning of these steps. If I wanted it to be stored within this Moon folder originally, I would have had to have had this Moon folder open when I hit Create. However, if you make a mistake and you did not do so, all you need to do is return to the media dashboard, select the image within the dashboard itself, and click and drag it over into the folder in which you want it to be.